Hey, it's Clay Trader at claytrader.com. This will be a live trade video. I have a couple positions open right now out there in terms of trying to get filled. Have not made any trades yet. It is 9 minutes into the day, so still plenty of time left. Like I said, got a couple fishing orders out there, one on DYAX, another on PRTA. So we will see what happens. I will keep you updated. Looking to get filled here at 29.45. There we go, I'm in. So I'll put out a couple orders, what I like to look at as just kind of risk mitigation points, but I would gladly build a bigger position if possible. So we're going to try for some more up here at 29.65. So that would be great if I could get that, bring my position size up. Again, looking to sell some or buy some at 29.40. It's just a little risk mitigation point. I will keep you updated. I'll let you know if it looks like I'm going to get filled or if I'm going to be able to scale out some. I'll let you know. Okay, I got those. Now my order or my average is at 29.55. So I can look to scale out some more of these if it pulls back some. And like I said, I will gladly build a bigger position. So I'll look to kind of scale out here at, so I got 60 out of 100 at the 29.50 mark. So I got all of those. Now looking to scale out a little bit more at 47. I got those. Looking to scale out, got those at 43. See if I can get some out at 40. Got those at 40. Taking some more off at 40. Let's see if it can break down through 30. A little slow there. I wanted to kind of hop out a few more just because it wasn't showing any more weakness. But that's all right. I scaled out back down to 400 shares. Take some more off at 50 because remember my average was at 55, so I'm still in the green here. And I'm just going to let these remaining 200 here work for me. See if we can get it to roll over. That high is at 55, so if it goes over 56, I want out. So just playing it real tight, so possibly I'll take a lot. Whoops. Possibly I'm going to take a loss on those final, that should be 200 shares. But if it does decide to roll back over, then that's what I want, and I'll just move my stop loss down. So I'll keep you posted on the trade. I'm going to go search for some other ones too. All right, I may be getting a little aggressive, but I'm actually going to move my stop down to 51 just because you can see on the level 2's round number should act as a resistance. If it doesn't, then I just want out, and I'll make 4 cents on my remaining 200 shares. But if it wants to continue to roll back over, then the upside is unlimited at this point. My risk is limited because the worst I can do is make 4 cents. So the worst you can do is make money. You put yourself in a good spot, and that's what risk versus reward trading is all about. So again, my risk is defined. I'm either going to get out with 4 cent gain, or this thing is going to completely collapse, and who knows how much I'll make. You never know. That's a beautiful thing. Got an order out there right now on MYL to short. Oh, crap. Where's that order at? Oh, bummer. I forgot to cancel one of my orders out there, so I actually just sold another. That's not what I wanted to do. Whoops. I forgot to sell one of my orders out there, one of my cover ones, so it went down there and actually hit it. So now I only have 100 shares left. I wanted that to still be 200, and who knows, maybe it'll work out in my favor, but still, that was definitely not intentional. So where did I get? Oh, I must have got some at that 29.35 mark down there on the pullback. So again, that was not intentional. I wanted to hang on to 200 and let 200 work for me, but at this point, just going to have to go with the 100. So we'll see if this can end up rolling back over some more. Very well could head up, and I am out. So you can see there, stopped out of my final 100 shares for a 4-cent gain. Total trade was at 106, and as you saw, I was in a position where the worst case I could have done was make that 4 cents on those shares, or the price could have rolled back over, and who knows how big. The upside was unlimited. The risk was defined, was limited. Again, I want to say that again because that's the key point, the key kind of the crutch of trading. What you want to be focused on is my risk was limited, but my upside was unlimited, and that's that's why I love charts, because charts make it much easier to put yourself into those types of situations. But anyways, let's move on. All right, I'm back. Sorry I missed that trade. It's one of those things where when you're trying to run a business and trade and make videos, things get a little complicated. So I was actually talking, making some alerts in the room, talking with the IT guy. So I totally missed this one, but same thing. I built a little position up here and went, I built a position in this direction and I went long into the pullback and then in this bounce here. And I probably screwed it up. I think I scaled out maybe a little bit too quick. Still made 111 on it, so it wasn't a terrible trade. Like I said, it's just kind of one of the trade-offs of when you're trying to run a website, run a chat room, improve things. So I'm talking with the IT guy. So I know this is all excuses. I screwed up the trade. I'll just leave it at that. So let's move on and see if I can capture another one. Have an order out there, FLML right now to short at 17.35. Who knows if I get filled, but that's the current fishing order I have out there. Well, I have been trying and I just cannot get filled. I'm going to be picky. I'm not just going to throw myself into a trade as much as I want to for the sake of the video so I can have a quote-unquote exciting video. But I need to get some other stuff done, so I'm going to wrap the video up. Keep this one on the short side. It's 10:20 a.m. Eastern time, so 40 minutes into the day, 217. And like I said, I have been very active. I wish I could say that, I got distracted and haven't really been searching the market, but I have. And I found stuff, but I'm not getting the prices that I want. And, the prices that are part of my trade plan, that makes the trade plan logical. And if I'm not going to get them, then I'm certainly not going to force anything. So, like I said, though, I got to go and do some other stuff now. So, thanks for watching again. The kind of moral or the theme of this video, hopefully, is that the goal as traders is to put yourself in situations where risk is limited and reward upside is unlimited. How do you do that? Well, for me, I use charts, and that's my kind of main go-to weapon. If you're interested in learning charts, I do offer some training courses on those. So if you go to claytrader.com, you can see that sort of stuff. Also have a private trading group, so you can check that out too if you want. And also something new, I've started a podcast. So if you want to listen to the podcast where we just interview traders who are on their journey to trading success, they're just everyday normal people. We're not interviewing any hot shots. I wanted to make it very relatable to the quote unquote everyday normal people that you would bump into the street. So I'll put a link down below the video there so you can check that out. And finally, if you're interested in kind of the scanners and how I use or what tools I use to find the stocks to trade, there's also a link to that down below, and you can click on a link on this final portion of the video. So thanks for watching. Get out there and trade without emotion.